Hakani kata yau kasang Kongres ha ka jela Meghalaya ka badan hakaliang persya ha ka yen robar thawan jong jela gala kentho jur ya ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance halor ka jingsa priang jong kunyang jing pang COVID-19 ya kani kasang Kongres klapen pau lengba kinong pathai kubor ha ka jingi kendu batki ha ka arpo terik menta ubnai naitung arajar arpo Habakren ni kinong pathai kubor ha ka ni gesengi uwei ni ki MLA jong kasang Kongres na rilung garu u Zanet Sangma Ula keno baka Sorkar kladko akarukom terikam bania dana kajing sapriang kunyang jingpang COVID-19 hakani kajela Meghalaya. Namar kanang ya kisngi kajing yo jing kibri yun kunyang jingpang kalanang kiyo. Sakawai pat kabenta ka bauzan sangma ula kentho iya ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kadai halor kajing len shop jong kajing slay habun tiligi sinong harilom garu. Nakaliang uniu MLA ula keno ka Sorkar bakale bambatiaw ya kajing jugi pat ba harilom garu kibalong kilanot jong kajing slay Kamtam haka District West Garu Hills bat South West Garu Hills. Kini hitan kila slay nakadaw kajing Ther Uslam bat kajing slay haka wa Brahmaputra bat tuot sa kajela Meghalaya jong kathan rilum bat ki nongsong snong ki basakta kilakot sa kapalat silakngot.
And people are now in the streets. And after few days, because of the heavy rainfall in even the state of Meghalaya, in western region also, lots of damage of road connectivity, bridges have been collapsed, disruption of connectivity, but we could see this government to be so insensitive. Till now, no step has been taken to help out the people. Our leader of the opposition visited the plain belt of West Garu Hills and South Garu Hills district, and we were reported that lots of people have become homeless and no single help has been given forward to the victims.